Good morning, everybody. Welcome and welcome back to my channel, So Much Joy Gardens. I'm headed out today because it is harvest day. Come on, let's go see what we got out here. Ooh, it's been a little bit. Well, it's been raining here, so I've been a little slow in harvesting, but we're going to change that. All right. I think I got all of them off of these. I know they're not looking that pretty, at least as far as the plants are. But they are. They put out pretty good. So I'm thankful. My husband is waiting on these to get these processed for sauce. And so I had to come on out here and get these harvested. And we have big plans. We eat a lot of sauce, a lot of dishes that have sauce in them. Of course, we have spaghetti and any type of casserole, um, uh, nachos, taco meat, that kind of thing. So we use a lot of tomatoes. Whoops, dropped that one. Oh, forgot one. Now these will be coming out soon because as you can see, they are not in the best of shape. And while I'm doing, forgot him too. Go ahead and get him. Now these are my San Marzanos and my Romas. These pots here that's on the rack. And I'm not gonna put as many back out. I'm gonna do 2 and 2 instead of 4 and 4 this time for a fall harvest, just to make sure that I have enough of sauce tomatoes. Well, of this type of sauce tomato. These have, they're very meaty and they're very good for sauce and paste. I might try my hand at paste this year, see if I can make some paste. Um, Another thing that I'm going to experiment with is making my barbecue sauce with these. Make my own ketchup and barbecue sauce. Because it's getting bad, man. Everything um, having issues with produce and disease. We don't need those kind of problems. See, I'm gonna go ahead and get this one pepper off of here. And I still don't have any flowers yet. Don't have any flowers yet. So hopefully we'll get some more flowers on that soon. So my peppers over here done got a slow start. They were attacked by pests, and yeah, hopefully they can bounce back and give me some good peppers. Now this one, yeah, I gotta go ahead and harvest off of him. But these are habaneros, and I like to use my gloves to get those. I might make them last. Nah, I think I'll go ahead and get them harvested. See how many I can grab off of here. Can I do this one-handed? Okay, look like I got all the peppers that I need to get today. I'm thinking if I should go ahead and get this one right here. He's orange, but he's not red. I like to wait till they at least get red, but I suppose they can finish on the counter, huh? So I'll go ahead and get those two. And so far, this is what I got. And now headed over to the next thing. If I can get my basket to work right. All right. Let's check to see if I got any squash. And I do. Let's see here. So, him. And I'll go ahead and get him. He's just the right size. And I'll go ahead and get this big monster right here. Okay, is there any more? Don't see any more. Okay, moving on. See, does he have something for me over here? I don't look like it. Oh, he does. Right there. If I can get a shot of it. I guess I have to go around to the other side. There he is, right there. Y'all see it? We'll go ahead and grab him too. And I think that's it for them. All right. Let's head on over to the jalapenos. And let's see. Anybody ready? Not yet. Not yet. Do have some more growth there. But okay. All right, time to tackle the tunnel. All right, let's see who we have here. Ooh, the basil in here is doing so well. And look at my Principe Borghese. Ooh, oh wow. Looks like I got a lot to harvest in here. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna go ahead and get started, and I'll come back to you all when I'm finished. Well, I'm heading back in from Harvest Day Part 1 because I can never get all my harvesting done in one session. So here is what I have so far. If you can see that, nice little bountiful harvest. Got tomatoes, got to check for more peppers. And then I bring you all back for part 2.